We recently went to KL and the Bak Kut Teh was so good.
The smell, and got so much Lieong. This is normal portion. Inside they have pork belly, pork ribs, pig stomach, pork slices, and pig intestine. The most important one is the soup. Let me try it. It's sweet, I got a lot of pork flavour. So the herbal flavour actually covers the porkiness. Choke them. I prefer the herbal Bak Kut Teh more than pepper Bak Kut Teh. I'm not gonna say which country or I never say which country. Right? I need to try the Bak Kut. Very tender, and you really get the flavour of the herbal soup. Bak Kut Teh is perfect with youtiao, right? Yo.
And I knew I had to recreate it. So this is my version of Malaysia style Claypot Bak Kut Teh. Let's see how I fare. Actually it tastes quite close